episode 1 of Just For Us podcast. We have to say to the fans.
Long old drive ahead. I'm going to show her some driver.
So, him believes that if he can take the road, me a fear for my life. But let's see what happens. Why we can't manage with the light everyone here? With the light them trip here.
What's it? Do you overtake it? Go down there.
So, as a girl, we're born and grew up town, live in Kingston and St. Catherine. You know, one of my favorite things about traveling is the countryside. I love seeing nature. I love seeing the animals, you know, free roaming, grazing, all of that. I love see the dog, them run up and down and I swim in the river and them something there. Like, I just love it. I never really appreciated the beauty of Jamaica growing up, but every time I travel to the country now that I'm married, you know, and everything, it is just always beautiful. One truck just passed here and I almost lost it. Yeah. It's just always beautiful. I love the rustic vibe. It's calming, it's peaceful. So I'm start using hand.
Don't you drunk,
It's calming and peaceful. But yeah, the road that we're driving on though, you just saw me react like that. The road that we're driving on is called Junction Road. It leads to St. Mary because that's where we're going. We're going to look for my husband's side of family for Mother's Day. Specifically his mom. I miss her so much. So we're gonna spend some time with her. Junction Road and a normal road. Junction Road about 5 prayer I say from reaching at the car. Junction Road is a bagger, twist and turn and sun stops and curves and you see the truck literally just came so close to us. It like you have to brave to drive Junction Road. And as we're driving, like we see people as speed pass way. When we say speed, like we're probably driving like 40, maybe 50 miles per hour. We not even think that's up 40. Babe said 40, right? People are speed past we like say we are drive slow. So I feel like they brute force it because they're used to the road. But as for us, we will not be brute forcing it. We will not be driving like we're crazy. Could I know the road little more because accidents can happen. And I truly believe that haste make waste. So we're enjoying the view, we're enjoying the breeze, we are enjoying the countryside, and I just know we're gonna have a great time. So we are currently passing Castleton Gardens.
Police supposed to know it here.
It's like Castleton Botanical Gardens. So if you don't think of Hope Gardens one exists in Jamaica, yeah, you'd be sadly mistaken. Like I'm yet to go here because anytime we come up this side, we usually just pass. That's a police station, I think, and the health center. But yeah, anytime you know we come this side, we normally pass it. So we're yet to go, but one of these days we're gonna plan a trip and actually go to the garden. Because as I said, I know what gardens one exists here. Like there are options. Hope Gardens is nice and all, but you know, especially to get out of the town and everything, you know, different scenery, different vibe. I definitely want to visit there. So I realized that one of my issues with Junction Road is there's barely any railing, any wall, anything like that. And I'm gonna show you what I mean. Alright, so for example, we're passing this area right now. You see this? Right here at the front? This is just bush. This is not a what you call it now, like a wall, or should anything happen, your car rolls into that, you're gone right over because it's bush. There's no concrete wall, no stone wall.
Yeah, specifically
Like-
they lead to a river.
Like, not at all.
They drop a precipice.
Exactly.
See there?
See? See? Right over your gun. Gotcha. You can, like, that is a little bridge, a wall. So, see? This is what makes sense. But them leafy something here. Watcha. Okay, see we have a little wall. Patches of wall is what we have. But otherwise, it's mostly grass. And that's just not safe in my opinion. Alright, so babe just told me that Junction Road is finished. So, I can breathe a sigh of relief. You know, we are almost at our destination. I just love I just love looking at the mountains. Like, oh my gosh! Like, look. I hope you guys can see. Like, look at that. Like, the tree is blocked. Not the tree. The plants are blocking some of it, but I really hope you guys can see. It's beautiful. Like, this is what I love about traveling. The views. What's your favorite thing about being in the country?
Fresh air. Every day in Kingston here, I feel like I can't stay.
I get that.
And where I'm from is right across from the ocean. So the place normally cool.